Mr. Pete getting ready to roll. And Mr. Danny. These are the two cowboys.
Let me start getting ready to hit air. We're going to be movie business.
There you go. We're headed up to that mountain right there.
If I get one that kind of buckled on there, I guess it'll be alright. Well, give me one then. You know what I need to do.
To the mountain top there. Start unloading here. We're just going down the road right now. That mountain top over there. Going over the top of that mountain top right there. We got a few people. We're just on the road right now before we get up onto the high trail. There's Mr. Pete. Mr. Pete Tom. And this little boy. The rig here. I don't know if we can do anything with that. Anyway. Haven't been able to give no film because Mr. Pete and I have been working. But time for us to take a little break and we'll get back to working a little bit. And we'll try to get you some film whenever we can take another break. Mr. Danny getting ready to go up on the mountain. Come on, Pete. There you go, Danny. Come on. Pete and I. Cows, we got cows ahead of us. But we got behind. We stayed to eat a little extra lunch. We're the city slickers in this outfit. But I hear cows, so I know we're going to find a cow someplace. This is our view here. Kind of something of what you can see here. Danny's way in front of me over there. Let's see if I can get my camera to work in here. Alright. Hey, slow down. I'm gonna have to get crazy. We got a lot of country to cover, Pete. Don't worry. A few cows. A few of the cows and a few of the cowboys. Moving some cows. Pete and I. See the other guys. The brush gets heavy. Once you start getting in that brush, that's where it gets hard. Get out of the brush. Cows get up in there and can't hardly get them out. Boy, Mr. Pete and I. Alright, time to go to work, folks. Here we go again, Mr. Pete and I. Yo, kids, yo! They get something coming back there? Oh, ahí viene un par then. Yo quiero, yo! Yeah. Come on, cows, yo! Yo! Come on, Pete. Just showing you guys a little bit of, got a long one hung up in here. Hey! Cow, hey! Get Pete through all the branches and shit. Watch out, Pete, watch out, Pete. Watch out. No. No, back. Yo, Kill, yo! Can't make it through that branch. Come on, back, Pete, back. You can't get your head up underneath that branch. Come on. No. Come on. Come on. Put your head down. Come on. Pete, there you go. Good boy. We can get through this damn thing. Alright. A lot of rough country here. Okay, hey. Yo. Yeah. Come on. Yo, come on, let's go. It's just a few little trees. Get up through here. Cow coming through that tree and a cow. Got a young one in the bunch here too. Come on. All right, good job, Jacob. Got one by the leg. Yo, Kelly. Hey, hey. Hey, give me your head. Don't you dare. Yo, Kettle, yo. Ah, that's how thick the brush is here. Yeah. Yo, Kettle, yo. Get out of there, yeah. Go on, help. Okay, we're in the open again. Uphill. It's a young girl working some cows. Here, go. Oh, Mr. Johnson playing with Tim's. There you go, right there, Tim. That little calf right in front of you. Get him. All right. Okay, now it's a little bit easier here. This part. Another cowboy here moving some cows. Take him on back down to the road. About halfway through with our trip here. Still got a ways to go. It's probably about 3 o'clock, so probably won't get done till around 7 or 8, maybe 9 tonight. So, anyways, getting a little tired.
Come on, come on.
Lee Johnson crossing the water. Cows crossing the water. Nice young lady crossing the river. That's the river. The other river over there. You need to cross the river, boy. Come on. Come on. Hey. First time across the river. Come on, come on. Wants to eat grass. No. Hey, slow down. Slow down. Little boy, slow down, slow down. You get all kinds of speed. They're crossing the river and stuff. Everybody a little tired already. Been going at it quite a few hours. Young ladies hung in there all this time. Got a roper over here roping. Hey, you just try to shake me off of your hump. More people moving them away from the river. I got a picture of you. Stand up straight.